What's up, everybody? My name is Dana Harris with Gurus Math Tutoring, and I'm back again to drop some more math jewels. In this video, I'm going to be talking about writing the equation of a line that is parallel to another line and passes through a specific point. What I want to do is I want to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form that passes through the point 1, 3, and it's parallel to this line right here. Parallel lines will always have the same slope. Once again, parallel lines will always have the same slope. So that means that m, which is the variable that represents slope, is 3 because when a line is written in slope-intercept form, the coefficient of x is going to be our slope. And it needs to pass through this. Now, I'm going to use the point-slope formula in order to find the equation that we're looking for. So the point-slope formula says y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. All right. Now, y1 and x1 are just the ordered pair, the coordinates of this ordered pair right here. So this is going to be x1. That's going to be y1. So I'm going to substitute these values. So I'm going to say y minus 3 equals 3 times x minus 1. And basically from here, I'm going to solve for y. So I'm going to say y minus 3 or tree equals, we're going to distribute this right here, 3x minus 3 times 1 is 3. And then now I just need y by itself. So I'm going to, the opposite of subtracting 3 is adding 3 to both sides. So I'm going to add 3 there. Now these two, they'll cancel because if I have y minus 3 plus 3, they cancel out. So I'm left with just y equals 3x, and then these are opposites as well. So right here, I have y equals 3x. Now, I know that this line is parallel to this line because they have the same slope. Now, this one, the y-intercept is 0 because there's no number after the 3x. But they're still parallel because this one has a slope of 3 and that one has a slope of 3. All right, now that's using the point slope formula. Example 2, we're going to do the same thing. However, we have a different point that we want the parallel line to go through, and we also have a different line that it's going to be parallel to. So same thing, I still want to find out the equation of a line in slope-intercept form that passes through 12, 5, and it's perpendicular to y equals 2/3 x plus 1. Remember, parallel lines have the same slope. So the slope is always the coefficient of x, which is the number immediately to the left of x. So m equals 2/3, and it's going to pass through 12, 5. We're still going to use point slope form. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. All right. Remember, y1 is the y coordinate of the ordered pair that they give us. x1 is the x coordinate of the ordered pair that they give us. So y minus 5 equals, m is 2/3. All right, let's straighten that out. 2/3 x minus 12. All right. So y minus 5 equals, we want to distribute this. So 2/3 times x is just 2/3 x. And then 2/3 times 12, we can do this multiple ways. I usually just take the numerator, multiply it by the whole number. So 2 times 12 is 24, and then divide it by 3. 24 divided by 3 equals 8, and we keep the minus. All right, now we need to get this y by itself, so we're going to add 5 to both sides so we can get rid of it. That is the addition property of equality, which tells us if we add the same value to both sides, the equation remains balanced. We bring down the 2/3 x. Negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3. All right. So this right here, y equals 2/3 x minus 3, is parallel to y equals 2/3 x plus 1. Why? Because they have the same slope. The only difference is the y-intercept of this line is at positive 1. The y-intercept of this line is at negative 3. All right, so they are parallel. They'll never touch, but they intersect the y-axis at different points. Thank you so much for everyone that's been supporting me and watching my videos, sharing them. I'm getting great feedback lately, and I really appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart for helping me accomplish my vision of helping students all around the world increase their math skills and do better independently as well as in the classroom with mathematics. We know we have to go through mathematics in order to attain just about any type of education at all levels. And so I want you to do me a great big favor. First of all, I need you to subscribe to this channel. I need you to share this with a student or an adult, anyone that you know that needs some help with mathematics. And I need you to do me one more favor. I need you to go to Instagram. I know you all are on Instagram, and follow me on Instagram at YG Math Tutoring, as well as go like the Facebook page, Young Gurus Math Tutoring. Thank you so much. And guess what? I still got the solution to your math problems.